வாழ்க வளமுடன். In this video we are going to see 1.7.3 onto function. In a mobile phone, assume that there are three persons. There are three persons in the contact. If every person in the contact receives a call, then the function representing making calls. This is the function. Making calls will be onto. In this box they have given the definition of onto function. Okay, a function f from a to b is said to be onto function if the range of f is equal to the codomain of f. That means range is equal to codomain. Okay, that is onto function. Okay, what they told in this paragraph means, now mobile phone, assume there are three persons. Okay, see the persons in the diagram. See the three persons, person 1, person 2 and person 3 in the contact. Okay, if every person in contact receives a call, okay, this is the calls. Set A is calls and persons referred as B. Okay, the calls, how many calls? C1 to C5, 5 calls. Okay, the making calls to a person is a function. Calls to functions. Person functions is a calls to persons as a function. In every element in the codomain B. Okay, this is the codomain. So B, every element in the codomain B has pre-image in the domain A. Okay, an onto function is called as a surjection. Already we have studied into function, one-to-one function. One-to-one function is called a injective function. Injection. One-to means surjection function. This is the easiest definition. See, check whether the codomain has the elements of codomain has the pre-image in the domain A. Okay, this is the image. Okay, it has pre-image. So P2 is a person. This is also has two pre-images. P3 also has two pre-images. Therefore, it is a onto function. If the range of f is equal to codomain of f, what are all the range in this codomain? Codomain P1, P2, P3. Then range is also all the images have pre-images. Therefore, it's also range same as codomain. So R equal to CD here. No element doesn't have a pre-image in this codomain. Therefore, it is a onto function. Okay. Then see the note. If f from A to B is an onto function, then the range of f is equal to B. Okay, B is nothing but codomain. So codomain equal to range means that is onto function. Already we have studied in this definition, this box definition. Okay. Then illustration 12, A equal to XYZ and B is equal to LMN. Then range of f is L has pre-image M N. So L comma M comma N is a range which is equal to the codomain. Codomain and range are equal. Therefore, f is a onto function. Thank you.